Hi, this is Suki, and welcome to Build with Suki and Sunnah's. Sunnah's not here today because she's at school, and we're going to be building this. So, let me tell you something. The more force you put into this, the more less it will not go. But the more force you put into it, the more it will go faster. Like, jump up more. So, we got our CrunchLabs, and we're going to learn how to build it. Okay, so let's open it up. We got the instructions. We have to take this part. So where the holes are, that's where we're gonna put these like little white things into it. Great. We're gonna put these yellow things into it. Like that. So after you put it in like this, we're going to well, I already said take this part, and we're going to put it in like that. And we're going to take 2 of these little screwy things. Look like. After that, it will look like this. And we take, and then after that, we're going to take 3 of these blue things. Where the holes are, that's where we're gonna put the little nails. But remember, we can't put the little nails on the top. We only put them on the bottom. Then it will look like this. Okay, so we need this again. And we're going to need this yellow part. So we're going to take this yellow part, and we're going to put it on like this. And then we're going to take this part. We're going to put it like this, like that. Now we put this red part where the yellow part goes. Things. And then we're going to put it on. We're going to do this. It looks just like this. And then we need 1 of this like long stick thing. And then we're going to put this into here. Okay, so we got it like this. And rubber bands like that. Like wood things, they're like wood circles. We're going to peel the white part off, and we're going to stick it on like this. And then after that, we're going to stick this red part onto here. Just like this. I'm just pinching it. It's not sewed on or anything. Then we're going to put it on where the red part is. Well, we're gonna screw it on. Good. And then it's screwed on like this. We need this rubber band thingy, and then we're going to put it on 1 of these white hair ties, not hair ties, but rubber bands, and then going to tie it on like this. So we do it like this, rubber band, and then we're going these stringy things. Good. And then it's like that. So first, you put it over the red thing, and then you put it on there. Okay, so we're going to take these 4 things. We're gonna need 4 of these. Gonna put it on. That. And then after that, we're going to and then we're going to flip it over. We're going to take white rubber bands. We're going to need 2 of them. Gonna put it on like that. And then after that, we're going to click this onto, not click, but like put this like this. Like you see the top of this, you have to put it on like that. Perfect. 3, 2, 1, go. And that is how you make your very own thing that flies. I am done with this video, and if you want to watch more video, just spell my name. Or you can type in CrunchLabs, or you can type in Build with Suki Sunnah. That's what it's called. Well, I gotta go. Thanks for watching. Bye.